Oh,
Good evening.
what's your name?
R.L. Bell.
And how old are you?
I'm 50 years old.
50 years old.
Wow.
Hope I look that good when I'm 50.
And where are you from?
I'm from Houston, Texas.
And what do you do, RL?
Well, I'm a massage therapist.
Whoa.
Yeah.
We need the number.
Do you ever combine the two? Do you ever sing
Well,
when you're...
you know what? I have. They say, do you mind singing to me while you massage? And Howie, that's kind of hard to do. Because
Yeah.
I'm trying to focus on my hands, but then I'm trying to focus with the voice, too.
Right.
So what I did, I just put in a CD of mine that I made at home, and I just played it.
Good thinking, R.L. Bell.
Go ahead. Good luck to you, buddy.
Thank you.
Yeah, don't you think?
Hit it.
Me and Mrs. Jones.
Oh!
We got a thing going on. We both know that it's wrong, but it's much too strong to let it go now.
Feeling like getting a massage right now.
She's got her own obligation. So do I. Me, yeah. Mrs. Jones, yeah. We got a thing going on, baby. Woo! She'll go her way, and I'll go my way. Oh yeah! Tomorrow we'll meet at the same place, same time. Me and Mrs. Jones.
What I'm talking about.
Okay. Heidi.
I thought it was quite a journey. Wow! And the coat came off, and the voice went up and down, and everywhere, and the muscles were going. I mean, it was very entertaining, and you do have a great voice.
Thank you. Thank
Simon.
you so
Yeah.
much.
RL, I like a little bit of sugar in my tea, but I like 1 teaspoon. That was like a whole bag of sugar. Because it was getting so corny, practically turned into a striptease halfway through. We've kind of got to de-corny you and make it all about your voice, not the silly outfits, taking your clothes off, because that won't get you anywhere. But you do have a great voice.
You know the reason why I did it, though?
Tell me.
Yeah,
The reason why I did it is because
Yeah?
I really wanted Mrs. Jones to know what I was talking about.
Oh, of course.
Well, unlike Simon, I actually like the whole showmanship. I think you've got a bit of a chance at this because you do have a really good voice.
You know, to me, I agree with Simon. You took away from your voice. It was kind of like Rick James, Sammy Davis Jr., and Hulk Hogan had a child.
I think the boys are just jealous of the muscles.
I think the girls like it.
All right, so let's vote. I agree with Simon 100%, but I don't think when he's talking to you that you get it. So I'm giving you a no.
Really?
Absolutely.
That's wrong.
Heidi?
See, I totally disagree. I think that you should amp up even more
What?
you were doing. I do.
Yeah.
I'm giving you a yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mel?
Yes, I'd like to see you again.
Thank you, dear. Thank you.
What do you say, Simon?
I don't know. Okay, RL. Okay, based on the audition, it would have been 1,000,000% no. Based on where I think you could go, possibly, I'm going to take a shot and say yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all so much.
Well done. Thank you.